What's up, guys? This is on Absolute, and today I'll be showing you how I made my first DIY hand sanitizer, scented hand sanitizer, so it smells good. And it does. I'm wearing it right now. It does. Okay, but I hope everyone is being safe and healthy out there and making safe and healthy choices. Hope you're keeping up with the news and just being well informed about what's going on in your area and our nation as a whole and the world as a whole. If you guys like to know how I am faring in these times in Anchorage, Alaska, please leave a comment. If I get enough requests, I'll definitely make a video on how it's affecting me and what's going on in my area. Guys, it's crazy. It's crazy. Panic, fear, low supply of everything. It is ridiculous. But this video is on how to make hand sanitizer. So, scented hand sanitizer. So, yes, thank you for being here. It's actually a really easy process. So let's get started. Have all your supplies out: alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, aloe vera. I have this. I got it from a Korean place. I'll link everything down below. A container to put in your mixture once you're done. Fragrance if you wanted your hand sanitizer to smell good. Syringes if you want to put in the fragrance in a more correct way. A spoon for mixing, and a plastic baggie to funnel in the mixture into your bottle. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to need 2/3 cups of alcohol. So we're going to use my 1/3 cup mixing spoon or measuring spoon. And let's use the pink bowl. So we're going to need 2/3 cups of alcohol. So let's put in 1, 2, and then 1. So basically 2 parts alcohol, 1 part aloe vera. So 2/3 cups of alcohol and 1/3 cup of aloe vera. Okay, and what I have here is 99%. The closer you can get, the better. And this will also help the dryness of the alcohol as well. And then you pour that in. It would help if you had a little spatula, but I don't. So we're going to use this spoon. Get as much of that in there as we can. Hopefully you guys can see this well. We'll just leave the spoon in there because that's what we're going to use to mix. And now we're going to add our fragrance. There are many different ways you can do this. You can spray the scent directly into the mixture, like that. Elizabeth Arden green tea is a good scent because it's very linear and it just smells like just green tea. But just an FYI, for more like complex fragrances, you could, once you spray it in there, you lose a lot of top notes. So what you could do is, if you had these lying around, if you don't, I doubt a lot of people do, so there's no need to really do this if you don't care that much about how it smells. But there are syringes specially made for this kind of thing where you can take off the cap of a perfume like that. Get yourself out a syringe and a needle. A syringe and a needle. Twist that in. You This is not going to work for this perfume because this needle's too freaking big to fit in there. But yeah, so you press this down and you put this in there and you can pull out the fragrance. That's a little more complicating that most people probably don't want to do. I did, if you're like me and have a ton of samples from Sephora, you could easily just grab one of those, and this is probably like the perfect amount for your fragrance too, and just untwist the top of it and pour it directly in. So if you have one of these that are full still, that would be a perfect place to put them. Let's see. This is J'adore Enjoy. Oh, this one smells so good. Okay, anyway, yeah. So then you just would pour that in there.
And you know, perfume has alcohol in it, so you don't really need to adjust your mixture to make up for the fragrance that's going in it.
I have essential oils that you could put in there, as many drops to your taste. Also, if you have just like basically any little samples, you could take off the lids and pour them in there directly. You know, or like I said, you could just spray any perfumes you have lying around, something that you want to smell on your hands throughout the day. Keep that in mind. This mixture is looking pretty good. Let's see, what am I gonna put in?
I want something that smells good with alcohol, so you know what? Because you know that's going to be like a very high alcoholish smell. You know what? I'm just going to put in the Elizabeth Arden green tea.
So, because Elizabeth Arden green tea like reminds me of a hotel room. Okay, let me give that a little smell test. Okay, oh, I don't know if that... I think you're gonna need more. I think you're gonna need more with all that alcohol. How many sprays was that, guys? 50. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna have to really just test how many sprays you're gonna need in there, but once the alcohol dries on your hands, the smell will definitely come out better, kind of just like how when you spray a perfume, if you can smell a lot of alcohol, especially when it's not a high of a quality perfume. Anyway, I'm gonna add more aloe vera gel because my mixture looks a little watery.
So, let's mix that.
And I don't have a funnel, so I'm going to show you guys how to use a plastic bag as a funnel. So, or a Ziploc bag. So what you want to do is open up your Ziploc bag, get your mixture, pour it into the bag, and you know what, actually you can also finish stirring your mixture together in the bag. Just make sure it is well mixed. And once you get that done, oh, I forgot that I need scissors for this. Okay, here are some scissors. You want to get the bottle that you're going to use. So this is a really small bottle, so I'm going to put just a little bit off the tip of it. And yeah. So then you just pour it in there. Shoot, 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 guys. I will clean all that up afterward. Okay. Okay, we're going to save that for another container. And put that lid onto that. And there you go. Yep, that's it. There is my hand sanitizer. I wish I went with the Ed Hardy now. Green tea smells nice, but you know, I'm extra, so. Anyway, that's how you guys do it. I hope you guys stay safe and healthy and as clean as possible out there. Thank you for spending your time with me. Please comment, subscribe, and like all that stuff that YouTubers ask you to do. It's really appreciated. Thank you. Bye.